Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'd like to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers and also my existing ones. I really appreciate you. This is an unboxing of Traveler's Notebook that I'm really excited to have in my possession. I have always wanted one and now I have got one. I'm going to open it. I did break the seal when it arrived yesterday. Always wanted one. So I'll put this to one side and then we'll open it. It's nicely packed as well. I might be able to salvage this sticker. It would be nice for my scrapbook or my junk journal. Let me see if I can take it off while I'm here. Oops. Try my best. All right, and I'll just leave that to one side. Great. Ooh. Okay, so I ordered the passport size Traveler's Notebook by the Travelers Company, and this is the craft paper folder, the 2-pocket. The color is camel. It came super quick and I'm really glad about that. And this is how it's packaged. Take that off. This could be for my junk journal as well. Oh. I know they were originally thought of for traveling and documenting your travels, but nowadays it's just a very convenient way of documenting, using it as an everyday planner and all sorts. It is such a versatile little thing. The standard size is really nice as well. Right, so this is just a bit of paperwork and it just tells you what's in your package. It's got the cotton bag, the leather cover, the notebook / refill blank and a spare rubber band. So we just put that there as well. So there is the spare rubber band and the cotton bag. Ooh, I did put some moisturizer on my hands, but I wiped it off because I didn't want any residue going on it. I mean, at some point it's going to get scratched, but not today. It is very nice. It feels more suede than the smooth leather. Definitely suede, I would say. And here's the raw leather inside, and here is the Traveler's Notebook stamp, and it says Travelers Company, Japan, made in Thailand. It has the notebook that it comes with. This is a lovely colour, sort of purple, maroon, I'm not quite sure, plum, I don't know, but it's lovely. It's so cute. This one is plain. This is super cute. Passport. Yeah, it does remind me of my passport actually. Our passports in the UK similar to this colour, bit slightly darker, but and a bit shinier. So this is good. Very nice. I love this. Oh my goodness, I just could not wait to get hold of this, and I have ordered a few more bits and pieces for it, so that's in the post, and once those have arrived I will do a setup. I am just so happy to have my Traveler's Notebook. This is the bookmark. It's got the It's got the slots here on each end. That fits really nicely. This is cute. Let's have a quick look at this. Super cute. Tiny. Tiny and super cute. Now I'm not quite sure what I want to do with this notebook for now. I'm thinking about it. I don't know if I want it to be my 2024 planner. I'm not sure. I don't know if I want it to be just a journal that I document my day-to-day and my feelings, emotions and so forth. I'm not quite sure. I haven't actually made up my mind as yet. It's got one elastic band, but then it's got a smaller one in the middle here, but at least I've got the extra elastic band. And I do have some elastic, but mine are black. I've got some black and I've got some white. I may order some brown, some camel color actually, but I guess I will have to order it from the actual website to get this particular color, or just do a little bit more research, see if I can get it in the UK. But this is nice. It's weird that they've added a green one in, so I guess you can just put whatever color you want, because you're not really going to see it. It's going to sort of, so if you wanted it like that, the extended elastic would go around here. I'm thinking whether I should have mine like this. Should have, that's the bookmark. Nice little charm would look nice on there. I am so happy with my little notebook. I'm chuffed, over the moon, and I can't wait to get the rest of the bits and pieces so I can do a setup for you. I love it. I'm glad to have it. It smells nice as well, and I will keep you updated. But in the meantime, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos of mine, and hit the bell to be notified when I do upload videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back very, very soon. Bye for now.